Good afternoon, guys. This is Bobby at Brian's Car Corner. Got a question for you. It comes up often. What are you a fan of? Chevy? Ford? Dodge? Maybe you prefer... Got a few trucks in stock, don't you think? Maybe you prefer the GMC. Let me know in the comments what you prefer. And guys, if you're in the market for a truck, we have got a few of them. I think we're close to 100 now. So if you're in the market, come see us. We've got them all. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, single cab, crew cab, doesn't matter. We've got them. So come see us, 602 South 4th in Chickasha. If you want to get pre-approved, jump online, brianscarcorner.com, do the application. We'll give you a call as soon as you do it. See you soon.